Hi there. When analyzing a big listing in Excel, sometimes, we need to know how many different values are in a certain column, or which is the highest value, or how many empty cells exist. The answer to these queries takes probably minutes, and we would like to have a handy tool to get that information instantaneously. QuickRows is a powerful tool to support novel and advanced Excel users with astonishing functions that impulse dramatically their productivity. Observe this table. It contains a list of used cars, more than 50,000. We will analyze it with mouse clicks only, no formulas, no ribbons, no complications. Suppose we need to know how many different brands does it contain. Just double-click the brand column header to get that information. That's it. How many empty cells are in the model column? Just repeat the previous action. Or, which is the average sales price? More of the same. We have obtained useful information just by clicking the required columns. Observe that the listing has been sorted each time automatically. To reverse the sort order, just double-click it again. Now look at this. Suppose you would like to have a comparative list of classic Ford Mustangs, 8 cylinders, manual transmission, convertibles, and in excellent shape. We will dive into this listing with some clicks to narrow our search, until reaching the desired scope. Observe that we can trace back our analysis, because each step created a new copy of the previous table, so we can go back instantly and restart our search from any point. For example, to change our choice from manual to automatic transmission. Try QuickRows. You will love it.